Chapter 3: Paint 3D. Paint 3D is a software that includes both basic and advanced art tools. Not only can you use brushes, shapes, text, and effects to create unique 2D art, but you can also build 3D objects. Info Byte. Paint 3D is free and available in Windows 10, but if you want to run it in Windows 11, you need to install it from the browser. Paint 3D features. It has many art tools like marker, calligraphy pen, oil brush, watercolor brush, pencil, eraser, crayon, pixel pen, spray can and fill tool. Any of them can be any color you wish, and each has its own options like as choosing the line thickness and opacity. Basic models are included which you can import directly onto the canvas like a man, woman, dog, cat, and fish. Paint 3D includes a crop tool to trim down an image. The software lets you insert stickers, textures, and shapes that can be planted directly onto a 3D model. You can also make your own Paint 3D stickers from image files. 2D objects can be converted into 3D objects using only the built-in tools. Both 2D and 3D text can be used in Paint 3D. Several effects are supported to quickly change the whole canvas scene like a clay, aqua, stratus, and tally effect. An image can be saved to a 2D format or 3D format. Starting Paint 3D. To start the Paint 3D, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Apps. Step 3. Scroll through the app list until you reach Paint 3D and click on the icon. Step 4. The Paint 3D window will open and displays two command options, New and Open. Click on New option to create a new drawing. The Paint 3D screen will appear with a canvas. Components of Paint 3D window. The main components of the Paint 3D window are listed below. Let us explore the Paint 3D window. Title bar. It displays the name of the program and the name of our drawing on the top left corner. On the top right corner there are window control buttons, that is, minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Menu. It displays options such as New, Open, Insert, Save, and Save As. Brushes tool. It displays brush options and color palette in the marker panel on the right side of the window. Brush options. It displays 10 brush options with sliders for thickness and opacity. Color palette displays the color options available including the option to add more color and effects. 2D Shapes tool. It replaces brushes option and displays 2D shapes library with options like line and curve and 2D shapes to select from. 3D Shapes tool. It replaces the brushes options and displays options like Open 3D library, 3D doodle, 3D objects, and 3D models to select from. Options tool. It displays options such as Select, Crop, Magic, Select, 3D View, and Zoom slider. Drawing area or canvas. It is the drawing area where we can create or draw our shapes. Creating 2D shapes. Creating 2D shapes in Paint 3D is similar to the MS Paint. To create 2D shapes, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the 2D shapes. Step 2. Select the desired shape. Step 3. Once you have selected a shape, drag out the shape. Step 4. Once you drag out a shape, the right side panel will show options modifying the shape. You can change the shape through fill, line type, thickness and opacity options. Creating 3D shapes. There are three types of 3D shapes in Paint 3D: 3D models, 3D objects, and 3D doodles. We will start with 3D objects since they are basic geometric figures. To create 3D shapes, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the 3D Shapes tool. Step 2. Select the cube object. Move the mouse pointer to the canvas. Step 3. Drag out a cube. When a 3D object is created, tools are available to rotate the object around each of the three axes and a fourth tool to move the object with respect to the plane of the canvas. When a 3D object is selected, the side panel provides tools for changing the color and material of the object, editing and flipping the object horizontally or vertically. Creating 3D text. The text tool provides options for 3D text, font, size, color, style, and alignment. To create 3D text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text tool, then select the 3D text options. Step 2. Choose your preferred font, font size, color, style, and alignment, and then create some text. Step 3. When you are done editing your text, click at a point outside of the text box. This will open the standard 3D object control tools. Step 4. To increase the text depth, use the right side rotate tool to rotate the object more than 45 degrees. Step 5. The use of the top midpoint grab point is to drag the text to a new depth. Turning a 2D shape into 3D. To turn a 2D shape into 3D shape, follow the given steps. Step 1. Draw a shape or doodle. Step 2. Click the 3D shapes icon in the menu bar. Step 3. If you want to match the color, click on the eyedropper tool and touch the color you'd like to match in the 2D doodle. Step 4. Click the shape you'd like to replicate from the sidebar. Since our emoji face is a square, we're going to select the 3D sphere, but you can also choose one of the 3D doodle options below and trace the shape with a finger or stylus if you have a touchscreen device or your mouse. Step 5. Click the 2D shape to place it and drag to resize it until it's similar to the 2D shape or doodle. Hold the Shift button while dragging to resize all sides equally. Step 6. Select the 2D object by clicking outside the shape and dragging the box over it. Step 7. Click Make Sticker from the sidebar. Step 8. Choose Make 3D from the sidebar. Step 9. Drag the sticker onto the 3D shape. From here you'll just need to resize and reposition it until it fits the shape. At a glance, Paint 3D is a free program from Microsoft that includes basic and advanced art tools. The Paint 3D application serves as a replacement for the older Paint program. Paint 3D includes a crop tool to trim down an image. In Paint 3D, an image can be saved to a 2D format or 3D format.